Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in Instacart. Login in Instacart is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Go to the Instacart website, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Instacart website by typing www.instacart.com. Locate the login button on the Instacart homepage. Look for the sign in or login option. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. Once you have found the login button, click on it to proceed. Enter your email or phone number. You will be directed to a login page where you need to enter your email address or phone number associated with your Instacart account in the provided field. After entering your email or phone number, you will need to enter your password in the designated field. If you have created account with Google, Facebook or phone number, you can choose that. If you have forgotten your password, click on reset it to reset the password. Click on the login button. Once you have entered your email or phone number and password, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your Instacart account dashboard on the website where you can start shopping, view your order, manage your account setting and more. That's it. You have successfully logged into your Instacart account. If you like this video, press the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.